It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 204, Providence Lofts. Second floor, 900 square foot studio apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Newer hardwood flooring throughout, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. You got a closet space there to my left. So we make our way into the studio. Big open floor plan here. Plenty of room for kitchen table. Got your refrigerator, electric stove, built-in microwave, sink, plenty of cabinet space. To the right of the kitchen, the bathroom, the shower, no tub, vanity. You get the open floor plan here. Plenty of room for huge living area. Bedroom set up there. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 204. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.